Hello guys and welcome back to the surprise toy box giveaway. This is our third giveaway and we are going to be trying out a Stunt roller mini stunt car. I've never played with one of these, so I'm super excited and I can't wait to see who's going to get it. First, we're just going to check out the box right here. It says for ages 8 and up. We don't even know what color we're going to get, if we're going to get red or green. I kind of hope we get red, to be honest. Collect them both. So we'll see which one's in here. And then it comes with an easy remote controller. Auto demo. Interesting. Forward, spin left, spin right, directional control, and backwards. That seems pretty interesting. I wonder how the auto demo is going to work. I don't know what type of batteries we're going to need, but I'm sure we're going to need a few. Okay, without further ado, let's open this up. Just has a little bit of tape here. Ooh, what color do we think it's gonna be? Ooh. I'm trying not to look as I pull it out. Oh, green. I was really hoping for red. Dang it. That's okay. Green is good too. The remote control. Looks like I'm going to need something to open that up. Oh. That was really on there. Look how cute he is. He's so adorable. It's super tiny. I don't have like the largest hands, so it's super little. And do we need, oh, it looks like we're gonna need to charge it. Comes with a charger, so that's good. Let's plug it in while we're waiting. So you're not going to want to lose this charger because it looks like it's very specific to this toy. Let's look what we have here. Power your life. We at Power Your Fun are always looking to energize your play. Visit us at powerful.com warranty. Enter your email address and receive a free warranty. Okay, well, I'll leave that to whoever gets it. Okay, the directions. So, battery installation, unscrew the battery cover, the back removing transmitter, turn the screwdriver, not including counterclockwise, and remove the battery cover towards the direction shown in the image. Install batteries by correctly polarity as shown in the image. Replace battery cover and tighten the screw clockwise. Charging instructions, which plug in the USB charger cable into your RC car. Plug the other end of the included USB charger cable into a USB port to start charging. Compatible with computer, laptop, or charger, and cell phone charger. Charging light indicator will turn off once the car is fully charged. Pairing instructions. Press the on and off button found at the bottom of the car. The power light indicator will flash. Switch on the remote transmitter. The car and the remote will automatically pair. Basic operation controls, which we kind of went over already. Operation and battery safety instructions. Okay, and that will also come with whoever gets it. So let me go get something to unscrew this, pop this off, and we'll put some batteries in. Okay, I got the screwdriver. I'm gonna unscrew it. Pop this out. And then I got a couple of batteries here. Oh wait, these are double A's, right? Or are these triple A's? They look like they should, oh yeah, they are. There we go. a minute. He should fit in there. I don't understand. Negative, right? Yes. Maybe I should put this one in first. Why did they put this little block here? That does not... Okay, there we go. There we are. Okay. And then I'm going to put this back on. And we won't be able to ship it with the batteries, unfortunately. So, I'm sorry guys, but no battery shipping. I will be taking these back out, and when they're given to you, you will have to put your own batteries in there. It's just the way that shipping works. It's illegal to ship batteries unless you are a seller of batteries. Okay. Ta-da. And we'll wait to turn that on. Okay. Next, it doesn't look like it's finished charging yet, because the power thing is still on, but I feel like we could get at least a basic understanding, so I'm going to unplug it, press it on. You can see turn on here, turn this on, oh, turn it on, power button is on. Okay, let's go see what it can do. Woo! It's kind of fast. Whoa! It turns around so quick. Whoa! Ah! It's kind of a lot to handle. Ah! They flipped. That's so cool. Can you see that? Ah! Dancing car! Oh, that's so great. You don't have to pick it up or anything. Look at that guy go. Oh wow, he's not even fully charged. He's super loud though. That is one super loud car. But I love that it like can dance. It kind of looks like it's a dancing car. You don't need to worry about it flipping. Oh, starting to, because it just turns itself over. You just keep pressing it, and it will turn itself over. That's so nice. This is a really, oh my gosh, it drives on its side. This is a really neat little thing. Look at that guy. Oh my goodness, it's so intense. Are you ready for this? You know you want to try. Do you want to try it? Sure. Yes, it is. Isn't that cool? No, keep pushing it, yes. Isn't that awesome? Oh, yeah, could it get off surfaces? Oh, maybe not. Oh, maybe. Maybe. Oh, no. It's stuck in there. Hold on. There you go. Thank you. That's too much stuff. That's so much work. But you can get it to like flip on itself and do like, I got it up on one wheel and did like a spin on one wheel. I don't know how I did that.
This one is a little complex.
Can you blondie, baby?
¿Es imposible to drive it predictably?
No, I don't think so. It just goes forward and backwards, has the turn, and has the spin. Get it, Nini. Get it, Nini. You like it?
Yeah,
That was fun, yeah, I
it's very
agree.
predictable.
It is. There's a mode here that says it's supposed to be, let's just see what it does. Oh. This is supposed to be like the auto mode to show you what it can do.
It really is unstoppable though, right?
Yeah, it really is unstoppable. Alright, but that's it. That's it, everyone. This is our third giveaway. Very interesting, very cool. We'll wipe it up for you, put it in a box, and send it your way once we find out who wins it. But until next time, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell icon so that way you guys know every time when we post. And leave a comment down below. Have you ever played with anything like this? This is a very unique RC car toy, especially meant for younger kids. Like I said, 8 and older. So not supposed to be for adult. It's super fun. It's really powerful. So this is pretty cool. Let us know, and don't forget to join the giveaway so that you can have a chance at winning this. Until next time, guys. Bye.